Hey guys, welcome back to Trading Card Cave. RC Explosion Box Volume 19 coming right up. Alright, a little late on this one like all the other ones. So from now on I'll probably be right on time with them. Y'all probably know the story if you've been watching. Depending on if I load this up in order. Just moved into a new house from Virginia to Florida and trying to get settled in, and we're getting there. All right, the lineup for this month is pretty good like usual. There it is. Don't forget to follow Philmington on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. That way you can be notified when he posts stuff about possible new subscriptions or one-time purchases. 2020 Top Series 2, we're looking for pretty much Luis Robert or maybe any short print that we can find. Not a lot of good rookies in this one. Ozzie Albies, I like him. Chris Bryant, Duger, Joe Jimenez, Joe Ross, Ryan Borucki, Brooks Robinson insert, and Dylan Bundy. Okay, 2020 Series 1. Looking for Alvarez, Lux, Bichette, Pino, and Horner. Let's see what we got. Garrett Cooper, Brad Hand, Scherzer, Gurriel, Holtzen, Vato, Bob Gibson insert, Markakis, and Voit. I think Voigt's having a pretty good start to his season. 2019 update, we're looking for that Herrera, Keyboom, Riley, and Lewis A. Nick Ramirez, Greg Soto rookie, LeMahieu, Donaldson, Duplanter, excuse me. Duplanter rookie, 1984 tops. Keyboom rookie debut. Suarez rookie. Bergen rookie. Long rookie. And a Stroman. Next up, 2019 Heritage High number. Looking for Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Jimenez, Herrera, Riley, Senzel, Keyboom, Rogers, and Paddock. Jake Bauers rookie. Alex Jackson rookie. That's it. 2019 Bowman. Looking for Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Marco Luciano, Joey Bart, Christian Stewart, Luis something, Jake Cave rookie. Ooh, look at that pretty lady. That's a nice one. Ronnie Mauricio, number to 150. Pretty. Let me protect this bad boy. Very nice. Thank you, Philmington. If you want to purchase this from me, you can. I'm just kidding. Very pretty. Ronnie Mauricio, rookie number to 150. Nova, he's also a guy to keep an eye out for. I'm gonna put him here. He's definitely this guy too, Victor Mesa, and this guy too. Oh my goodness, that pack was stacked. All those guys have got great potential. Now we're gonna save that one. Saving you. 2018 Series 1. We're looking for Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Robles, Andahar, Hoskins, and Verdugo. Stanton, Blackman, Harrison Bader, rookie, insert. Mark Reynolds, Belt, Alex Wood, Rendon, and Sale. All right, 2017 Topps Chrome, looking for Bellinger, Judge, Bregman, Moncada, and then Kendi. Corey Kluber. Ooh, there's a Dansby Swanson rookie. He's good. Put him up here. Chris Davis and Seth Lugo. 2015 update. We're looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Gallo, Buxton, Syndergaard, Rosario, Ursula, Peterson, and Pham. Wilmer Defoe. Kazmer. Ooh, there's a gold rookie of Josh Ravin. That's cool. Put that right there. Ooh, what? Get out of here. Mike Trout. Number to 25. Huh? Oh yeah, two really good ones. Yeah. Look at that bad boy. I didn't know these things were numbered, but I'll take it. Very pretty. Let's see, rookie combos. Nobody good. Kane, and Tyler Moore. Okay, we're on a hot streak. 2013 Series 1, looking for Machado. And then rookie cut of Mike Trout. Brett Lowry. All right. Ziegler, Detroit Tigers, LJ Hose, rookie. It's not a good last name. Chavez, Fuentes, and Correa. We'll save that one. We got another hobby exclusive from Series 2. Keep it down, Eli.
What?
Nothing. Justin Dunn, rookie. Joey Votto. Abraham Toro, rookie. And a Stanton. So 2 rookies. So we're going to be looking for the Jeter in here. I've already pulled 2 from the RC Explosion box. Graded them both. One came back in 8. One came back in 9. In case you missed those videos. The one that came back in 8 had some, the cards were kind of stuck together a little bit. So, oops, son of a gun. Yeah, the Jeter was stuck to a card, so packed that well. Kind of like this isn't. There we go. Well, there's the gold one already. Sean Lowe, Gary Carter, E. Smith, Mike Stanton, Davey Winfield, and Mike Maddox. All right, last pack. 2018 Topps update. Looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows. See what we can rip. Ooh, there we go. Nice Ohtani, rookie debut. Bryce Harper. Got a rookie Kozin. Insert of Ryu. There's a Devers rookie. Reyes rookie. Rookie combos. And that's it. So this pack is worthy of another recap. Ooh, jeez. Got the gold Josh Ravin rookie, Devers rookie, Ohtani rookie debut, the Keyboom rookie debut, Dansby Swanson rookie, Victor Mesa first Bowman, Novelli Marte first Bowman, Freduis Nova, don't laugh at me, this bad boy, this Ronnie Mauricio, and then this bad boy, Mike Trout, number /25. So, thanks Philmington. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on the giveaways that are coming up. And hit the notification button so that you don't miss them. And that's it, guys. God bless. Best of luck ripping.